What is the volume of a cube with surface area 54x squared? So we got a solid geometry question, and we're given the surface area is 54x squared. Well, remember for a cube for surface area is the area of all the faces added up. And remember for a cube, you have 6 equal faces, right? 2 here, 2 up top and bottom, and 2 on the left and right. So to find the area of one of the sides, we're going to divide this by 6, because ultimately we want to find the length of one of the sides or edges of the cube so that we can find the volume, right? Because the volume of a cube is just the edge times edge, right? Length times width times height all happen to be equal, edge cubed. So we can find that edge, we're good. Now we're given this, so we know that the area of one of these faces is going to be this divided by 6, right? Because this is the total surface area. If we divide it by the 6 faces, we're going to get 9x squared. So that is the area of one of the square surfaces. And now we can say, well, we know the side squared is equal to 9x squared, right? Side times side is equal to this. So if we just figure out what s is, square root both sides, we're going to get the side is 3x. And this all makes sense. If this doesn't, if you're not sure if this is right, work it backwards. 3x times 3x is 9x squared, times 6 for each face. 9 times 6 is 54, so you get 54x squared, right? So it all works when you move backwards. Well, now that we have the side, let's just go ahead and find the volume. The volume is just going to be the side cubed, which in this case is going to be 3x all cubed, which in this case is going to turn out to be 27x cubed. Remember that cubed applies to both members here. So 27x cubed, and that is choice B. In theory, you could plug in, I guess, pick an x, but it doesn't really give you much value. You still have to figure out that there are 6 faces, so you have to divide this by 6 and then square root it to get the side and then have to cube it to get what you need. So it's a little bit, it doesn't help as much. The only benefit would be you don't have to deal with the x, I suppose, if that's confusing. But ultimately, that's how you work it. So the answer is B.